Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Startup. Today, we're taking a look at the TOZO S5 Smartwatch. This stylish and affordable smartwatch is perfect for anyone who wants a balance of functionality, comfort, and sleek design. But before we dive in, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future tech reviews and tutorials. Now, let's get started. Let's start with what you get for your money. The TOZO S5 comes in at a very attractive price point of just $59.99 on Amazon. For that price, you get a surprisingly premium look and feel, thanks to its sturdy metal build. It features a 1.45-inch AMOLED round curved display that looks great on your wrist. On the side, you'll find two buttons. The first is a multifunctional button that you can use to navigate through the watch's menus. The second button, located at the bottom, provides quick access to the exercise menu. We'll explore these buttons and their functionalities in more detail later. Flipping the watch over, you'll see the metal build continues, adding to that overall feeling of quality. Here, you'll find the health monitoring sensors, charging port, speaker grill, and even two microphones for calls and audio output. If you're familiar with the TOZO S7, you might be wondering how these two watches compare. The S5 feels slightly heavier due to its all-steel construction, while the S7 has a plastic body with a steel frame. So, if a premium look and feel is important to you, this watch might be the better choice. Now, let's turn on the watch and walk through the setup process. When you first power on, you'll see the TOZO branding on the screen. Then, it will prompt you to select your language from a variety of options, including English, Dutch, and more. To get the most out of your watch, you'll need to download the companion TOZO Health app. This app is available for free on both the App Store and Play Store. To make things easy, the watch displays a QR code that you can scan with your phone to download the app directly. After setting up, you'll be greeted by the beautiful classic watch face on the 1.43-inch AMOLED display. The display is crisp and colorful, with thin bezels that make it look even more impressive, especially compared to other round smartwatches in this price range. The brightness levels are decent enough for outdoor use, even under direct sunlight. Swiping down from the top of the screen brings up the control panel, where you can find options like Do Not Disturb mode, silent mode, raised awake functionality, brightness controls, and access to the settings menu. Swiping up reveals the notification panel, which displays all your notifications. However, unlike the TOZO S7, you won't see the date and time the notifications were received here. By long pressing on the watch face, you can change it to one of the many classic and stylish watch faces that come preloaded on the watch. There are also additional watch faces available in the app, which we'll explore later. Swiping left from the watch face gets you to the heart rate monitor. Swiping again shows the weather information, followed by sleep monitoring and activity tracking, which displays stats like steps taken, calories burned, and distance traveled. It's important to note that compared to the TOZO S7, the S5 lacks some features like stress monitoring. However, the health monitoring features it does have seem to be accurate, which is consistent with what we've seen across the TOZO smartwatch lineup. To access the main menu, simply press the multifunctional button. Here, you'll find a variety of options, all presented on a responsive and lag-free display, which is impressive for this price point. There's also a dedicated button for quick access to the exercise menu, but the multifunctional button doesn't scrolling option. So quickly see about the options one by one. The TOZO Health app is where you can dive deeper into all your health monitoring data. The app provides detailed insights into your heart rate, sleep patterns, and activity levels. You can also use the app to control various functions of the watch and customize its settings. In the Exercise tab of the app, you can see your location data during workouts. However, keep in mind that this feature requires your smartphone to be with you, as the TOZO S5 doesn't have built-in GPS. In the Device tab, you can control all the functions of the watch. One of my favorite features is the dial center. Here, you'll find a wide selection of classic smartwatch faces that you can easily add to your watch. Using a dark watch face can help to minimize the appearance of the bezels, giving you a more immersive, almost full-screen experience. TOZO provides a good variety of watch faces to help you achieve this look. And also we have some settings to control smartwatch. So quickly watch what have on this one by one. This smartwatch also includes Bluetooth calling functionality, which offers decent sound quality for making and receiving calls when you're away from your phone. The biggest downside of this smartwatch is that it doesn't have an always-on display option. They have an option to add 20 minutes on display, but it's not a good feature. Many other smartwatches in the same price range offer this feature. If this gets resolved with a future firmware update, it would be a great addition. Overall, the TOZO S5 Smartwatch is a great option for its price point. It offers a premium look and feel with a stylish design with simple user-friendly interface. However, if you're looking for a more feature-rich smartwatch and don't wish more premium look, the TOZO S7 might be a better fit, as it offers a more extensive feature set and a more advanced user interface. You can find a link to the S7 review in the description below. If you're looking for a stylish smartwatch with a simple user interface and a more premium look with better quality and 10-day battery life, the TOZO S5 is definitely worth considering. For the best look, I recommend purchasing a leather or silver metal strap one, as this standard strap feels a bit cheap. If you found this review helpful, please give it a like and share it with your friends. If you'd like to see a comparison video of the TOZO S5 and S7, leave a comment below, and I'll create a video for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and tutorials. See you in the next video.